Bismillah Rahman Rahim. Welcome to my channel, Learn Math with Syed Ali. Today we have a question, reflect the shape in the line M. So previously we have seen that how to reflect in x-axis or y-axis, and this time we have a figure ABC and it is asked that this is the line M. I have to reflect this ABC figure, geometrical figure, which is a triangle, in the line M. So what will be the reflection in the line M, right? So we have to remember the rule. Rule is that coordinate of each point in the image are interchanged. So if you remember this rule, you can do this question easily. So the rule is coordinates of each point in the image are interchanged. So this is the rule, right? Rule of thumb. So we need to change the coordinate, but we have to first find out the coordinate of the image of the figure, right? So what is the figure? Figure is A, and we have to see what A is. So -1, and then we go up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I have -1 and 5, A. And then I have B. B I have as, I have to count +2, and then up is 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. So my +2 and 4. +4, right? When there is no sign, we say plus. C. Now the C coordinate is -1 and 1. So -1 and 1. So these are the coordinates. So sometimes this question is asked like showing you the picture, and sometimes coordinates are given and you have to draw the picture and then like draw the shape and then its reflection across the line M or given line, whatever the name of the line is, right? M, P, Q, R, whatever the question says. So if question says M, so I have a line which is called M and I have to reflect this shape in the line M. So what is the rule of thumb? Coordinates of each point in the image are interchanged. That means my A dash will be 5 minus 1. My B dash will be, what will be the B dash? 4 and 2, right? And C dash will be 1 and -1. So these are my reflected points and I can draw them, right? So to get the picture of a reflected triangle in the line M. So now I have 5 minus 1. So 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and -1. So -1 is here. I have this point and then what I have? So I have 5 minus 1 and then I have 4 and 2, right? 4 and 2. So I have 4 is this, right? And 2, 1, 2. So 2 is here. So the third point, 1 minus 1. So 1 is here and -1 is here. So my reflected triangle is looking like this. This is my reflected triangle where this is my A dash, you know, this is my B dash and this is my C dash. This is my reflected triangle. So in this way, and what I said that this question can be asked in a different way. So in this part A, I can say it part A, I will put it here part A. In this part A, what was given? Shape was given, right? And we have to find out on the grid paper that what are the coordinates of this shape ABC, right? And now if the question is asked in another way, which is like they are giving you the coordinates and then we have to plot those coordinates. So if the figure is like D is given 1n minus 2, E is given 3n minus 4, right? 3n minus 4, or and then D, E, F. F is given. Certain coordinates, whatever is given, right? So you have to draw them to get the figure, right, to get the shape. And then you have to find out the image in the line M. So we have to find out the image in the line M again for this coordinates or these coordinates, so D, E, F, G, which is a quadrilateral, of course, because there are 4 points. And then we have to figure out their D dash, E dash, F dash, and G dash. So procedure is same, but the way of asking the question is different, right? Before it was given, and now the coordinates are given, right? Shape coordinates are given, and we have to draw the shape of the coordinate, right? So let me draw it in maybe green so that we can differentiate the two questions. So if we have these coordinates, what are D? 1 minus 2. So 1 minus 2, right? This is my 1 minus 2, which is D. And 3 minus 4. 3 is plus, so 1, 2, 3. And minus 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is my E. Where is my F? F is 2 minus 5. So 2 is here, minus 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So minus 5 is here. And then what I have? Minus 2 and minus 5. Minus 2 and minus 5, right? So minus 2 is 1, 2, minus 2. And minus 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right? So this is my minus 5. Or maybe a little bigger. Because when you draw it in the grid paper, it will be very well drawn. But here I am just assuming that this is 1, 2, 3, right? So it's not that accurate, but on the grid paper it will be accurate. So now what you have to do? You have to draw all these points. So you got your D, you got your E, you got your F, 2 and minus 5. And now I have to draw minus 2 and minus 5. So minus 2 and minus 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, it will be in this line, right? So because it is also minus 5. So this is G. So these are my points, D, E, F, G, right? So now I join them. So D, E, F. This is my rectangle. Having coordinates D, E, F, G. So these were given, so we draw them. Here the picture or the shape was given. So we have to find out the coordinates, right? Reading it on the grid paper. So you must have practice for reading shapes on the grid paper and writing down their coordinates. So, you know, we have done that. This is first quadrant, which is both positive. I will repeat it here again because that needs certain skills or memorization. First quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant, fourth quadrant. And you can see that X is positive here, Y is positive here, so positive, positive. Here is X is negative and Y is positive. So this is negative, positive in the second quadrant. This is second quadrant. This is third quadrant. Y, X dash means negative. So negative, Y dash means negative. So both are negative in the third quadrant. And in fourth quadrant, you can see X is positive, but Y is dash. So Y is negative. This dash means negative. Y dash, X, X dash, Y, Y dash. So it's easy to remember and easy to locate the sign for the coordinate system, right? In 4 coordinates. So plus plus in the first quadrant, minus plus in the second quadrant, minus minus in the third quadrant, and plus minus in the fourth quadrant. Always say X coordinate first. In ordered pairs, we have to say X first, not Y. So when we say plus minus, that means X is plus, Y is minus. When we say minus minus, so X is minus, Y is minus, right? First thing is X axis and second thing is Y axis. So now we have to reflect it, and the procedure for getting reflection is coordinate of each point in the image are interchanged. So my D dash will be minus 2 and 1, and then minus 4 and 3, right? Interchanged. So I'm interchanging them, minus 5 and 2, and minus 5 and minus 2. So these are my 4 coordinates, which are D dash, and this, right? So I will draw it maybe with, so I have to draw that one actually in red and this one in green, but okay, we will draw it in black so that you can see that what are the points, right? So these points should be actually in red, so I can change it. So these are my D, E, F, G. So this is whatever I wrote it over there in red. So my picture is in red, right? So this is my red. I already draw it, but it should be in red because my coordinate system is in red, so that you can see that now I am drawing it in green. So what is my reflection and reflected points? So D dash is -2 and 1. -2 and 1. So -2 is here, 1 is here, right? Oh, 1 is positive. So positive is here. -2 and 1 is my D dash, right? Then -4 and 3. -4, 1, 2, 3, 4. -4 and 3. 1, 2, 3. So 3 is here, right? So this is my E dash. And then -5 and 2. So -5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, -5 and 2. So 1, 2. This is my 2. So this is my F dash. And then my G dash is -5 and -2. So -5 is same, right here, and -2. 1, 2. Right? So this is my picture and it is reflected. So it is reflected. You can see how it is reflected, right? E dash, D dash, and then I have F dash, -5 and 2, and then I have G dash. This is my G dash. So my picture is complete and it has been reflected across M. So I did not draw M here. This is my M. So we have to reflect it across M or in the line of M. Right? So we reflect this trapezoid in the line of M. And what was the thumb rule? Thumb rule was the same, that coordinate of each point in the image are interchanged. So you can repeat itself one more time by not seeing the video and just take down the question and try to solve it. Hope you like the video. If you like it, subscribe to my channel, press the bell icon button to receive another video. Thank you for watching.